Do you believe in supporting the people that you love? How do you show up for them? How do you cheer them on? I truly believe in the power of encouragement. Everyone has a gift, and we should all chase after our dreams. My cousin Christopher, he's an amazing chef. He beautifully fuses Jamaican and American flavors that leave your taste buds delighted. But like so many talented people, he's still learning about marketing and branding. So I used my skills to support his passion. I created a custom engraved cutting board, a pot rest, a QR code scanner, and a personalized t-shirt. That's the thing about talent. We're stronger when we lift each other up together. I've always said, if I become a millionaire, I'm going to give him the money for his startup restaurant. I'm not there yet. What I can do is share his work and use my creativity to support the people I love. So here's my challenge to you. How can you show up for your community? It doesn't have to be big, just intentional. Because when we support each other, we all grow.
This is the best gift I ever got.
Well, I'm happy you like it.